Hello guys, today we learn about how to make ginger garlic paste at home. So first we peel the ginger and then cut the ginger into small pieces. Add the pieces to a mixer jar. Add a little water as required and grind into a small fine paste. Then peel the garlic and add it to the same jar and grind into small fine paste. Actually, I prepared the ginger and garlic paste separately, but you can also make both together. Finally, mix the ginger and garlic paste well and store it in a airtight container. Please like and subscribe for more such videos, and your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video.